Hello everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Cafe.
Hi, listeners. We are so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ross. We help you practice real English in a natural and easy way.
If you enjoy our podcast, please share it with your friends who are learning English. It really supports us. Thank you so much.
So, Emma, how are you today?
I'm doing great. A bit busy, but feeling good. How about you?
I'm doing wonderful. I had a quiet morning. I made some toast and had a big cup of coffee.
You and your coffee. I swear you drink more coffee than anyone I know.
Probably. It keeps me alive and awake.
All right, Ross. Should we tell everyone what we're talking about today?
Yes, let's do it. Today's episode is about something very practical.
Very practical and very important.
We are talking about how to talk to a bank manager in English.
Yes. Many people feel nervous when they go to a bank, especially if English is not their first language.
Exactly. But today, we will show you how to speak confidently. We'll share vocabulary, useful phrases, and a real conversation.
So, Ross, why do people need to talk to a bank manager?
There are many reasons. Opening an account, asking about a loan, fixing a mistake, reporting a strange transaction. People visit the bank for all kinds of things.
And sometimes the language feels difficult or formal.
Right. Banks have their own vocabulary. Words like account balance, interest rate, withdrawal, KYC documentation, signature verification.
But don't worry, we'll explain everything step by step.
Let's start with some useful phrases you can use when you enter the bank.
Good morning. I would like to speak with the bank manager.
I need assistance with my account.
I want to inquire about a loan.
I would like to update my information.
Could you explain that again?
What is the next step?
Thank you for your time.
These simple phrases make your conversation clear and polite. Let's teach a few idioms you may hear in professional conversations.
On the same page, meaning both people understand the situation clearly.
In the long run, meaning over a longer period of time.
By the book, meaning following rules strictly.
At your earliest convenience, meaning please do this as soon as you can, in a polite way.
Now we will give you a real example. In this conversation, I will play myself, Emma, the customer. And Ross will play all male roles, including the receptionist and the bank manager.
All right, here we go.
Good morning. My name is Emma. I would like to speak with the bank manager.
Good morning. Certainly. Let me check if he is available. Please have a seat. Good morning, Emma. How can I help you today?
Thank you. I saw an unusual transaction in my account, and I want to understand what happened.
I see. Let me pull up your account details. Could you confirm your account number and show me your ID?
My account number is 937612. Here is my ID.
Thank you. I can see the transaction. It appears to be a merchant error. We can file a dispute and fix this for you.
That's a relief. What is the next step?
You just need to fill out a dispute form. Once we receive it, we will take action. We will update you within 3 working days.
Perfect. I want to make sure we are on the same page. I will fill out the form and wait for your update.
Exactly. Don't worry. We will handle everything by the book.
Thank you for your help. I appreciate your time.
You're welcome. Have a great day. All right, listeners, let's talk about why this conversation works.
Number 1. I introduced myself clearly. That helps the bank staff identify you quickly.
Number 2. I explained the problem directly. No long stories, no confusion.
Number 3. I asked for the next step. This shows confidence and helps you understand the process.
Number 4. I use the phrase, we are on the same page. It confirms understanding.
And finally, I close the conversation politely.
Let's talk a bit more about banking vocabulary, because many listeners ask for this.
Yes. Here are some words you should know. Account balance, savings account, current account, fixed deposit, interest rate, loan application, statement request, transaction dispute, withdrawal, deposit.
The more you hear these words, the easier they feel.
Ross, have you ever had a problem at the bank?
Yes, once a payment appeared twice. I was charged 2 times for the same thing.
Oh no. What did you do?
I talked to the manager. He checked everything and fixed it in 2 days. He was very helpful.
That's good. I also had a problem once. My card stopped working and I had no idea why.
What happened?
It was a security issue. They blocked it because they thought someone else was using it. I had to verify everything.
That happens sometimes. It's annoying, but it keeps your money safe.
All right, listeners, we covered a lot today.
We talked about useful banking phrases,
Important vocabulary,
a real conversation with a bank manager.
and tips to sound confident and professional.
Now it's your turn. We have a question for you.
What's one bank-related situation you find difficult in English?
Let us know in the comments or say your answer out loud. For example, you can say, I find it difficult to ask about interest rates. Or, I feel nervous when I have to report a mistake.
Any answer is great. The goal is practice.
If you enjoyed this episode, please share our podcast with friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for listening today. We're happy to have you with us.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, confidence grows with every conversation.
We'll see you next time for another English practice session.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.